Everybody, there's going to be an air show on Fireworks. This is July 4th, 2024. So there's going to be an air show right out there. So yeah, and we're going to go watch it right now. The air show is about to start in a couple minutes. Everybody's cheering. There it is. We're dead, guys. It's a nuke to Russia. Let's go. That is our first firework. Oh my god. Guys, this is a war zone. This is gonna, oh my god. There's so many people sitting at that park. This is a war zone. Woo! Oh my god. They are literally lighting all the fireworks. They have over $2,000 worth of fireworks. Bam! Yeah, this is crazy. It's happening behind me too. It's happening over here. They're doing fireworks over there too. I'm trying to watch this. Whoa. A war zone, guys. War zone. Whoa. And they're all the way out here just lighting every single firework. Guys, this is way louder on my end than your end. So the close ones are for the air show. The far ones are just other people lighting fireworks. So like these out there are just other people. But these right here are ours. This is crazy. Whoa. This might actually break my phone. And then again, people are like 100 feet away from this. And I'm like, I don't know, quarter of a mile. It's happening right over that fence. Is where they're all being lit. Whoa. This is crazy. Apparently, like every year they do this kind of stuff. God. Whoa. There's gonna be so much trash to pick up. Guys, this is insane. Woo. That may or may not be it. Nope. Still got more coming. Ooh. There you can see flashes. This may or may not be it. Nope. Guys, this is crazy. They just did it behind me too. I don't know which way to watch. Watch. They're shooting fireworks everywhere. I'm watching the air show. Damn. Bro, it's like my flash is on. My flash is not on. This is a war zone. don't know if you can hear that, but there's a bunch of people cheering in the background. I think that's, oh, every time I say that's it. There's still more guys. I wonder what a plane, I wonder if a plane is driving by or flying by. And I just get hit with one of these guys. My guys, these are happening everywhere. This is crazy. Oh my god, guys, this is crazy. Woo. This is gonna be like 20 minutes worth of fireworks. And how fast they're lighting them, that's a lot of fireworks. We might have to have 2 parts to this video. So guys, there's a plane right there. But let's get back to this air show. My camera quality is not that good, but it's insane in real life. My god, guys. Somebody has a drone. It's flying up in the air. It's moving. It's about to go out of frame. Out of frame. Okay. Missile sent to Russia, guys. These missiles are going to Russia, so don't worry. We got our drone. This is insane. Again, right as I was about to say. That's it. There's more. I think they're lighting more. No, there's no way there's more. I think that's it. That may or may not be it. Check back in like a minute or 2, guys, to see if that's it. Nope, that is not it. That is not it, guys. There is more. I think they just needed a second to light them. There's the street pool right there. There's my French trampoline. And there's that. Oh yeah, there's my friend's trampoline. See her jumping on it right now. I think there's going to be a part 2 to this. Unless this is going to end in 30 seconds, there's going to be a part 2. Whoa. Okay, see you guys in the next part, and as always,